In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the filter function in Google Sheets. In the last video, I did filter functions in Excel. Now we're going to look at Google Sheets. So I have a data set here, which has the names and cells. And my objective is to filter out a particular name and get the score, the sales score and the names in this place here. So I'll be using this drop down to determine what to be filtered from this function, from this data set. Now, as similar to Excel, in Google Sheet, we have what we call filter function. The filter function takes a number of arguments, the range that you want to return, and the conditions that follow after. So my range here is these cells here, and I put a comma. Now, the condition that I want to filter my data, I want to filter my data based on a certain condition. So I'm saying that the names in this line here should be equal to what I put in my drop down here, and then I close. So when I do that, you can see Peter is filtered. So where this is Peter, which is here. First one is that one. The second Peter is this one here. And the third one is, the fourth is this. So if I change this to James, you can see James's data is filtered through. If I change to Mary, Mary's data is filtered through, and like so. So this is how you can use the filter function in Google Sheets. Now, in the next example, I want to filter this information, again, using the filter function. But in this case, I want to filter based on the lower limit of 400,000 and the upper limit of 700,000. So how do we do that? Still, we come and say filter function. What we want to return is specify all the data that you want to be, from which we are going to filter from. Then comma, then we put a condition, and our condition is the values in this array here should be greater than the lower limit of 400. Then again, we repeat the same. The values here should be less than the limit here, which is 700, and we close our brackets like so. So all these are the values between 400 and 700. So when you look here, we have, there's no value less than 400, and there's no value that's greater than 700. If you change this limit to 800,000, this is how it changes to, it expands it, and like so. So if I put a limit for which there are no values, you see I get an error. So one way of dealing with this error is to use if NA, and you tell what message should be returned. No records are found. So you can do that. So that when there is a limit here where there are no records, it gives you a message that no records are found in that limit. So this is how we can use the filter function in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.